State College, sunny 34. Altoona, sunny 33. Bradford, mostly sunny 35. Erie, mostly sunny 43. Scranton, partly sunny. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of this specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems.